Great automation testing tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you the great automation testing tutorial for beginners. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in here I have some slides. So this is the test cases you can automate. You can automate those that are frequently repeated, difficult to run manually, time consuming if done manually, cover stable software components, and show clear pass-fail results. So you shouldn't automate the case if the test will be executed once. So there's no sense automating something that it will be executed once. So you shouldn't also automate tests based on visual perception. This is because this thing is subjective and not objective and does not have a clear pass or fail result. So this gives us the third bullet, which is test without evident pass-fail results. So the fourth one is the anti-automation features like CAPTCHA. So CAPTCHA actually negate the automation things because of this, because CAPTCHA should be run by people and not by bots. You shouldn't also automate raw and unstable functionality. Shouldn't also automate features with changing requirements and features with newly designed test cases. So in here you can select a testing tool. So in here you should just see the technology software is built on, requirements of software is under test, programming languages you know. So languages includes Python, JavaScript, and all of that. On the tool features, it should be supported by operating system, platforms, frameworks, and the types of testing that it can run. You can also just see this ease of use, and in here you can also see the open source versus paid, or the development license versus runtime license. So you should all take these three things into consideration. So in selecting a testing tool, here are some requirements or some recommendations. You can just click on Selenium, Appium, Catalan, and Renorex. This is the 4 top testing tool. So in here, in the test planning, design, and development, you can finalize automation test suite, use manual test cases as the basis, and create test scripts. You can write new ones from scratch, use scripts from earlier project, or pick a scriptless tools. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know the great automation testing tutorial for beginners. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.